After so many years and so many autocross runs, this Q350 EcoBoost is the most balanced it's ever been. And because of that, we were able to get #1 and #2 in KMC this past weekend, #6 PAX time, and #7 Raw time. Stay tuned to learn all about it in this video. It was an eventful weekend. Jamie, did you have a good time?
Yeah, except for hitting cones.
Cones are never a good thing, but the Q350 EcoBoost, I am happy to say it has driven the absolute best it's ever had. What do you think?
Yeah, we've spent a lot of time refining the combination that's on it right now, trying to get some of the oversteer issues sorted out, and combination's really good right now.
And we've been doing a significant amount of parts testing on the Q350 EcoBoost. If you think we're done with S550, think again. We all know the 2024 Mustang is coming very, very soon to hit the streets, but we're still working on some S550 parts development. With that said, one thing we can talk about, the double adjustables. What are your thoughts on how it was performing on the autocross track? Obviously, it's more of a drag race part, but out on the road course, autocross?
Well, this is the second event that we've used those shocks, and so far so good. Having the additional compression adjustment has been a big help. We've been able to work around some of the understeer issues, get the car under control, get grip up, and this weekend it really showed.
And to briefly go over the parts on the Q350 EcoBoost, feel free to check out the build page in the description. But top level, we're looking at 450-pound springs up front with our Pro Action coilovers, as well as our rear ride height adjustment kit with those universal coilover springs in the back as well. 900 pounds, right?
Yeah, 900-pound rear springs.
With those double adjustables. So really able to keep the car planted, and obviously with it being an EcoBoost, it's quite a bit lighter than what you guys have may have seen on the Mach 1 or the 350 that we've seen on the channel before. But I really, really like how this car handled. It's very neutral. It used to be a little bit twitchy in the past, but we've really worked that out, and it's very neutral feeling.
Yeah, the balance has really come around to being really neutral. Cars always had a tendency towards oversteer, sometimes more significantly than others. This current spring combination has really settled it down. The double adjustable shocks are a big part of being able to dial it in just to get it where it's more comfortable.
And with that new parts testing, we did have the Q350 EcoBoost out to the firm, I'd say about a month ago, right?
Yeah, about a month ago.
For some torture testing with those new parts, and that is always fun. Literally bouncing the car off of every single possible curve we could. How fast did you take those S's?
96, 97.
That's quick for the EcoBoost. And real quick, before we jump into the runs, Jamie, tell us a little bit about what we did with the rear gears in this car.
We've been running 373 gears in the back because of the limited amount of mile per hour we get out of second gear. So I put a 409 gear in it where we could start in second, go directly to third, skip first gear altogether. We knew we would be a little bit limited in top end, but it would help at the lower speed, turnaround elements, things like that, of still have enough torque to be able to get the car moving. The car probably peaked out around 76, 77 miles an hour. A couple of places that it really kind of caught us out by not having more mile an hour, but it definitely helped in the tighter portions where we had the torque to be able to get the car to move.
For sure, for sure. So with all that said, let's check out our fastest runs of the day. So obviously it was a very quick course at Florida International Rally and Motorsport Park. As the day went on and as we continued to work through our runs, we ended up getting faster and faster and faster, all the way to the point where our tires are getting a little greasy, but we were able to water them down, keep them cool, keep our pressures in check, and at the end of the day, we were able to win Cam C, which is awesome. Number 6 on PAX, as well as number 7 raw time out of 94 racers, which is a huge accomplishment because there were a lot of fast racers there.
A lot of fast cars there this weekend, a lot of good drivers.
And at the end of the day, Jamie's last run, yeah, I know you clipped a cone, but you raw timed me. It was awesome.
That's crazy.
It was a good run, but like I said, cones just got the better of me today or yesterday, and it's part of pushing the car hard, and it's going to happen.
We're really excited to take this car out again and continue pushing it to get it better and better and better. And don't you worry, when the S650 hits the streets, we will be doing the same with that as well. Comment below and let us know what else you want to see about the Q350 EcoBoost and all of our parts testing coming down the pipeline. Hit that like, subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing.
Speed matters.